Hello everyone, welcome to CivilX. Today, we're diving into the world of building construction and focusing on a crucial element, expansion joints. Let's explore what they are and why they play a vital role in ensuring the stability and functionality of a structure. First off, what are expansion joints? In simple terms, they are intentional gaps or spaces within a building structure that allow it to expand and contract in response to temperature changes, seismic activity, or other external factors. In building construction, an expansion joint serves as a mid-structure separation designed to relieve stresses. The movement at expansion joints is primarily induced by thermal expansion and contraction due to temperature changes, sway caused by wind, seismic events, static and live load deflection. Temperature fluctuations are a natural occurrence, and materials in a building can expand when it's hot and contract when it's cold. Without expansion joints, this movement could lead to stress on the structure, causing cracks, deformation, or even structural failure. Another critical factor is seismic activity. In earthquake-prone areas, buildings need to have the flexibility to absorb the energy generated during an earthquake. Expansion joints act as shock absorbers, helping to minimize damage and enhance the overall safety of the structure. Since the joint bisects the entire structure, it creates a gap through all building assemblies. This gap must be filled to restore the waterproofing, fireproofing, soundproofing, air barrier, roof membrane, trafficable surface, and other functions of the building elements it bisects. To bridge this gap and restore building assembly functions while accommodating expected movements, expansion joint systems are utilized. The term movement joint is often preferred as it encompasses both compression and expansion resulting from building movement. Now, let's talk about the types of expansion joints. There are several, but two common ones are movement joints and structural joints. Movement joints accommodate the anticipated movements of the building components, such as thermal expansion and contraction. These joints can be found in floors, walls, and ceilings. On the other hand, structural joints are designed to allow movement while also carrying loads. They're typically found in large buildings or bridges, ensuring stability without compromising safety. Installing expansion joints requires careful planning and consideration. Engineers analyze the building's design, location, and materials to determine the type and placement of these joints. Proper installation is crucial for their effectiveness. So, why go through the trouble of incorporating expansion joints? Well, the benefits are numerous. They enhance the structural integrity, prevent damage from temperature changes and seismic events, and ultimately extend the lifespan of the building. Maintaining expansion joints is equally important. Regular inspections and proper maintenance ensure that they continue to function effectively over time. Any signs of wear or damage should be addressed promptly to prevent further issues. And there you have it, a brief but informative look at expansion joints in buildings. These seemingly small gaps play a massive role in ensuring the resilience and longevity of our structures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for joining us today on CivilX. Until next time, stay curious and keep building.